Justin Y has more than 100,000 subscribers, but still he never got his silver play button, and it's kinda obvious because he has no videos on his channel. YouTube never recognized him as a video creator, and YouTube is obviously, updating their guidelines from a long time, and obviously Justin Y, they never recognized Justin Y as a video creator. Justin Y has also, mentioned this thing right here in one of his comments. Kinda late update, but YouTube denied verification of my channel, so I assume I won't be getting the play button. And he has mentioned it right here as well. As YouTube denied verification of my channel and with no Creator Studio notifications, emails about the button, I assume I won't be getting the play button. So yes, YouTube denied his request and he never got his silver play button. But now the case is different. He has 700,000, more than 700,000 subscribers, which is insane to have a YouTuber with no videos and has 700,000 subscribers, and who is not a bot, who is not even a bot. We know that he is not a bot, and right here his videos are gaining 1.7 million views, okay, 300,000 views. And if we will search about him, we will get plenty of videos which are more than 500. Yes, right here 2.1 million views. So he is pretty famous, 1 million views, so he is pretty famous now. And this time, remember that guy who got an award from YouTube for the most likes on one of his comments. There's a guy who has the record for most likes on one of his comments. So I think Justin Y will definitely get an award when he will reach 1 million. An award with a statement kinda like, a YouTuber with no videos but still 1 million subscribers. And this time I'm pretty sure, because his when the last time when he applied for silver play button, he was small with 100,000 subscribers. And YouTubers, these videos, I remember these videos never had this much of views. These videos had only 500,000 views. Now these YouTubers and all of them, I think, will obviously request YouTube and will help Justin Y in achieving what he wants. Justin Y just needs to request once more, and these YouTubers, once Justin Y will be near 1 million subscribers, these YouTubers will make videos, I will make video, and we will make sure that he gets an award. And this will happen this time. Why? Because the Justin Y is more famous now than ever, and he will be more famous when he will reach 1 million subscribers. And at that time, at least I think 5 to 10 YouTubers will make videos around the same topic. Will this guy get any award, or will get the gold play button or not? And this time YouTube will have to do it, because his fan Justin Y has fans on Twitter. Has fans who use Twitter, and they will obviously request YouTube on Twitter and here and there. So this time this will happen. We will make this happen. So this was my opinion. Please tell me what you guys think about it. Please write down in the comments, and please subscribe, and I will make a part 2 about this video. Not exactly a part 2, but related to this video, and on how he can get an award, or he can get his gold play button. I will make a second part about this video. So please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get the notification of that video. Hope you have a nice day, guys. Thank you.